guys, this is Will of Will H Tech Review back with another video. So it's another day and another box from Samsung. Yesterday, I got this little beast in, the Samsung Galaxy S20. Great device so far. Really digging it. It's a little powerhouse and it's very small and compact and just a joy to use with a big screen, 6.2 inch. It's not small these days, even though a lot of people call it a small screen. 6.2 is still huge. So I got the Galaxy Buds Plus, and this is my first set of buds. I didn't get the first round of these, and I'm pretty excited about these. So I've always used the AirPods, the first gen, and I had no reason to really want to upgrade from those because they are still fairly good, man. They work excellent. And I just passed those on to my wife, as I knew I was going to get these along with the phone. So I got these for $24 with the credit or the instant credit that they gave you. Cost me $24. And I got the black ones. And I'm just going to have to see how I like these because the AirPods, I like the idea of being able to hear my surroundings. I don't like anything that cuts off the outside so much, and I just like that. So we're going to see. These supposed to allow that a little bit better, so we'll see. So here's the packaging. See, I got the black ones. I didn't want to get this color because I just didn't see myself wearing that color earbuds in my ear. So here's the box. Very nice presentation here. Some of the specs on the back. 11 hours playback, two-way speakers for rich sound, triple mics for clear voice calls, and this has the wireless charging capabilities. Sound by AKG. So let's check these out and see how these gonna work. So I'm hoping I like them, but I'm not sure because I said I really love the AirPods. That's another piece of tape on the box here. But I really love the AirPods because they don't isolate the sound so much. So in the top of this box, quite sure you guys have seen all the unboxings on this already. You get your paperwork here. If I open it up the right way. So you get some paperwork. It's probably quick start guide telling you how to use it. Warranty and safety information here. Terms and conditions. All right. So the next thing we have in the box is I guess this is a charging cable. So Type C to Type A, so you get your charging cable, and you also get your earbuds here. Nothing else in the box. So here are the earbuds. Now I have my thumb is kind of messed up, guys. I normally have a brace on it, so it's kind of hard to peel this off. All right, so here is the case that is in. And compared to I don't have my AirPods case with me. My wife, like I said, I turned that over to my wife, those over. But this is very shiny. You do have your Samsung branding there. Still very compact and small. And here are the here are the Samsung Buds Plus. It's going to take me a while to get used to saying that. But it's marked as your left one and your right one. And let's take these out. So very small, man, really small compared to what I thought they would be. So this is marked right there. And nothing moves on it at all. Does have the little tips on it. See if these are magnetized, and yes, they are. They don't fall out. So I got a red light there. I'm not sure if that means they're charged or not. But I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get these paired up. So I'm not sure if these work like the AirPods. As soon as you open up the box, they pair. It's not catching my face back here. All right, let's see. Yep. As you guys can see, they come up on the display here. New device has been detected, so go ahead and connect. To connect, put the earbuds in the ear, touch and hold both earbuds until you hear a beep. So this is something that I've never seen before, so I'm going to put them in my ears. All right, so there it is. So I guess they paired just like that. I've never seen a pair do that before, but now it's asking me to allow access to, I'll say allow at this time. And here it is going into the Galaxy Buds app. And within this app, you can see the percentage. You can see the case percentage. You can see that the ambient sound here, you can change your ambient sound to different positions here. You can control the normal, bass, soft, dynamic, clear, treble. You can set what notifications you want to receive. Your touch pads on your, this tells you how what the touch pads for. The first is one touch is for play and pause. Two taps is for play the next track. And three is for skipping play previous track. You can lock the pads. You can set which each one, your left or your right, if you want the ambient, volume up, or Spotify. And your right, the same way. So this is the app that you get, and you can control a lot of stuff like this. So I'm going to go ahead and try these out, put them in my ears, and see how they sound, guys. So I'll come right back, guys. So after trying these out, these sound excellent, man. I played some songs with some bass in them. I played a couple of videos. I did not get a chance to make any phone calls, but I did use the touch controls, and they work really, really well. They produce great sound. I did have them on with my TV set, and I was able to hear outside noise as well, which is something that I want to be able to do. I don't want to be completely closed off. And the little case is very nice and neat, man. Fingerprint magnet, no doubt about it. I've seen that on other videos, but it works very well, connected very easily, as you guys can see. And I'll do a follow-up video after a few days on this, and I can give you a true feel for how I like them. So this is Will H. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.